Your Excellency, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, and Deputy President, our very own Professor Kithure Kindiki, and all protocol observed. Mugeni antobeto, Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Bwekua Meru, ibo gweretwe. Hata mimi nimefurahi sana. Yangu ni furaha nyingi sana kwa sababu president wetu ni mtu wa kusema na kutenda. Tulikuwa na yeye hapo Rumuruti akianzisha mradi wa launching the fencing, so the animals stay their side and we stay in our side. And today you can see he has come to give compensation which he promised a few months ago. Mimi leo ninavaa kofia mbili. I'm the woman rep of Meru County and a member of the Committee of Tourism and Wildlife. Juzi nakumbuka nilikuwa nado na nikawa promise, nikaambia hii maneno ya compensation inakuja karibuni sana, kwa sababu nilikuwa najua vile tunaendelea na hiyo promise ya president yetu. Thank you very much for honoring us. We have been having very many casualties hapo Kariobangi karibu na kwangu, huko Kenando Bar and all that kind of places. What I would request you, I'm talking very fast because of time. I've just listened to our Waziri talking about the bee, and I've already started groups for beekeeping. So what I would request is that you empower us in those groups so that we will be able to buy the hives. I've already bought the hives with the little money that I have, but we need much more because it starts from here up to Bororiet constituency. There's all that line where the elephants like to come to our shambas. We had invented a way of chasing them away by clapping, beating the mabatis. But now you see that one doesn't work very well. So that's why we decided to innovate the beekeeping. This beekeeping project is very vital and very important for us because it's an income generating project. And I would like our groups, particularly the ones I have in my docket, that we start a cottage industry making honey. So it will be a double win. We will leave the elephants to themselves, and we will have ourselves also, and we'll have money in our pockets through the honey that we'll be producing from the bees. I want to thank you very much, President, because you unajali sisi. Nasikia watu wakisema maneno mingi, but I'm very sure I've sat with you, we have talked to us, that unajali sisi kweli kweli. Antuveto mtona tukaga igitare onde. Na ibo kuona neje teruare ka tereja bue. Nejere. Akwende ara force de tu kweja. Mari. Kareje tekenda tomba ko kama ili are ubo igwa ngaba na yetu akiwa. Kwa uto tuwe no tuwe subira, akona mengi yetu, akona mingi yetu.
Asante. Thank you.
Na tukamberia kuona kaora bena deputy wake. For the last 1 month he has been here like 4 times. Boto wendo. Oh, thank you very much. My time is up. I would have liked to say many more things, lakini kwa sasa nimeobey mkubwa yangu.
Thank you.
Asanteni sana.
Thank you, my sister. Well,